G'day folks, it is a Moodemere kind of morning. I've come back over to Lake Moodemere again today to do a bit of early morning bait fishing. As I say every time I come here, I'm most likely going to catch carp if I catch anything. But with Moodemere, there's always the possibility that I could catch a redfin, a yellowbelly, or maybe even a catfish, because there's a few of them in here as well. Let's see if today can deliver something different than a carp. Let's just see if today can deliver. It is still August. Hey you! You're watching Robbie Fishing.
The sun is rising over Lake Moodemere.
Got to make sure the old black queen's put together well. The top half of the rod has been known to go flying through the air when I cast it out. Now folks, disaster has struck. I've just remembered what I forgot. I just realised that I forgot something. My esky. I've forgotten one of the most important tools of my trade, and that is my blue esky that I like to sit on. What this means is, one, I haven't got a seat. And two, if I do happen to catch a redfin or a yellowbelly, I'll probably have to release it because I haven't got any ice or anything to keep it fresh. Okay, rod number 2. Let's just cast off into the sunrise. This rod's actually got a bit of extra weight on it at the moment from when I was fishing in the Ovens River the other day. As a result, it's way out there. Rightio folks, I'm set up. Without my esky, I'm forced to sit right up here on this bit of a lip on this high bank. Usually I sit only a few metres from my rods for quick access if I get a bite, but this time I've got to sit up here, which means it's going to take me a bit longer to get down to the rods for each bite. This rod just had a bit of a nibble. Here it goes. It's getting a bite. My first bite today. Got him! Well, I'm telling you now, I've been sitting here for... Oh, I dropped him! Bugger! Oh! I have been sitting here for an hour and a half and have not had a nibble. And I was just going to say, if on the odd chance this is a yellowbelly or a redfin, I'm going to go home now because I haven't got an esky to keep it fresh. I've got to tell you a story about my pet mouse. I had a pet mouse named Elvis, but he died a few days ago. He was caught in a trap. Whoa, just had a really good bite on this rod. Here we go, here we go. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. In the words of Lake Moodemere, come on. Here we go, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna go. It's gotten real slack. I reckon he's got it. No, he hasn't. Bugger. Bugger. Whoa, 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 whoa. Both rods. Both rods. Hardly had a bite all morning. Now getting bites on both rods. Come on. Come on. Fishing like Leighton Hewitt. Come on. Oh my God, these fish are doing my heads in. My heads, how many heads have I got? I've only got one, I promise. These fish are doing my head in. Shit, look how slack this line's gone. It's gone so slack. Is there a fish on it? Is there a fish on it that's swimming towards me, I wonder? No. Still getting bites. Oh, well, I had one bite. I hooked the fish and he got off. I'm sure it was a monster yellowbelly. And then I had a few other bites all at once. Both rods going bang, 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 bang. And they were good bites. Good bites. Good bites. But anyway, this is a fishless video. I'm sorry. I promise to do better next time.